अगर हम कोई टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं और अगर उस टॉपिक के बारे में हमें बेसिक कीवर्ड जो यूज़ हो रहे हैं उनके बारे में जानना है और इस टॉपिक के क्रक्स के बारे में जानना है तो ये टूल आपके बहुत काम आने वाला है. So guys, if you want to have a keyword or the number of words describing your article, or you want to have an abstract idea of what are the keywords that are being used in this article, what you're going to do is go to extension, go to add-ons, and in add-ons what you're going to do is you're going to write cloud generator, word cloud generator. And in word cloud generator, you see I have already have this installed in my Google Sheet. Now the next part is I'm going to take this blog post and I'm going to copy this article, and I can go to Google and write extract text from blog, and I get these number of links. So I can take this, going to copy paste it over here. I am not a robot. Convert it into text. Once it is converted, I'm going to copy all the text and then paste it in my Google Doc. Control plus V. Once it is pasted, I'm going to go into extension, word cloud generator. You can choose either of these, classic or modern. I'm going to go for modern and see. The word cloud has generated all of the words, the main words that are being used in this article. Now I'm going to download into an image, and when I'm going to open this image, I get a data of all the main important words that are being used in this, like ebooks, company, social, guide, SEO, use. All of these keywords have been combined together to make this article. So guys, I hope you like this video, and it's a great trick for extracting the keywords or doing data analysis of the words that are being used in an article to help you define or to help you understand better what the article is all about. Thank you.